Satin stitch is a very common filling stitch. It is essentially a series of parallel straight stitches all lined up one next to the other. Satin stitch can take some trial and error when it comes to the placement, spacing, and tension of your stitches, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Sometimes the space you are filling with satin stitch doesn't allow for perfectly parallel stitches, or one side is wider than the other, like a flower petal. In this case, you may have some stitches that are a little shorter than the others. On this flower, I have started with 2 parallel satin stitches down the middle, followed by a third stitch that only goes about 3/4 of the way down. Because the top of the petal is wider and will require more stitches across than the bottom of the petal, I won't be able to fit all of the stitches along the bottom. My next stitch will go all the way to the bottom and cover up the space left by the shorter stitch. Each space you are filling may require a different number of longer and shorter satin stitches, and there isn't a set pattern for doing this. It really is a judgment call, but the more you do it, the easier it will be to just know what to do to fill the space.